Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PWIP. Export knowledge be, trade be. Hi, I am here today to talk about Jaya Parboiled Rice. This Jaya rice is normally it's parboiled. I have not seen a particular white rice being called as Jaya rice. However, if you have already seen what is an IR64 parboiled rice or IR36 parboiled rice or a long grain parboiled rice, it looks very very similar to Jaya rice. Sometimes people confuse, sometimes people deliberately say that okay, yes, I have Jaya rice and give you IR64 rice. Well, Jaya rice has its own very very peculiar characteristics when it comes to cooking, when it comes to taste, and this again a lot of people from Tamilnadu, Kerala, Andhra, Karnataka love this kind of rice. The only difference that I have noticed in Jaya rice while cooked is that the length and the breadth and the size of the rice after being cooked is very very similar to a matta rice. The only difference is matta rice, because it is red in color, the rice is also looks red in color. This Jaya rice, because it is parboiled in color, yellow in color, when cooked it becomes white. So normally you are able to see that matta is same size but it is red in color. This is the same size, Jaya rice is the same size but is white in color but the same size, and some people love eating Jaya rice, I myself too. The length is about 5.2, 5.3 mm that you can see. It looks very much parboiled in nature. It looks very thicker grain, right? It is very well preferred for Pongal, Biryani, cooked rice. So this is the characteristics. The whiteness of this could be ranged anywhere between 26, 27, 28 because it is a parboiled rice, right? A very, very high demand variety. The people who are in this trade of Jaya rice are very, very particular about its quality, about its appearance, about its looks and its cooking quality, right? So I suggest that whenever you make a trade for Jaya rice, specify this to your miller that I am not looking for IR64 rice or IR36 rice or Swarna rice. I am looking for very very particularly Jaya rice. For more information on this, because it is a parboiled rice, it is good for health, it has good fiber, it has good nutrients. So that's a very big plus on this rice. I hope you like the video. If you want to see some samples, if you want to understand this rice, it is better that you look at the rice, buy this rice, get some sample, cook it, taste it. It gives you a very good confidence on dealing with this rice, Jaya rice. I hope you like this video, my friends. There are n number of rice videos on our platform on YouTube. Make a study. Study is the biggest thing that you can do before you go into the market. When you talk to a customer, you need to have sound product knowledge, because that is the basis on which your buyer is going to give you the order. Speak soon. Thank you.